Good looking rig here. Check this out. 1998 Chevrolet Tahoe two-door sport. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile vehicle. 77,851 on the odometer right now. Paint code 43 emerald green. Trim is 52, tan leather interior, bucket seats, center console. We'll get around to checking that interior out in just a little bit. First of all, let's take a look at this front grille. Front end on this vehicle, also very clean. Does have a more modern, like high intensity discharge headlamp, maybe LED marker lights down there. So basically high intensity or LED front headlights, marker lights, turn signals. All right, still pictures. Check them out, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726, and you can see this paint shows well. Now remember, it's 1998, does have 70,000 miles, a little over on it, so there may be a spot where there's a little touch up here or there, but overall, this thing has a nice shine to it. We'll turn some heads, especially riding on these more of a late model Chevrolet 20-inch wheel. Yokohama radials, those are 2022, so just a few years old. Of course, fender flares, running boards. Let's check out this passenger side. See, those panels are nice and straight. Look at the reflection in that paint. Showing the wall to my left. You can also see tinted side glass, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. Just want to give you the heads up that that is tinted, and you can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, you might have a little spot here or there where it's touched up, which you can't even see in the, there you go, in the video. But look at that, it's about like a mirror, like looking in a green mirror. All right, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It does have a K&N air filter on it now, and it looks like they did retain the stock one, so that'll go along with it. Of course, underneath the hood, that Vortec V8 350, automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. And again, look at that mirror-like finish in the tailgate. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking through them. Does have dual exhaust with catalytic converters. Brakes are 95% or better, actually, at all four corners. Does have a new Pitman arm and idler arm. Key fob works. Tech did note, oil pan, a little bit of moisture on it. What could be expected on a vehicle like this that is driven? It's one of those cars I wouldn't be afraid to get in it, turn the key, and go. If you like this body style, Yukon or Tahoe, whether it be Chevy or GMC, obviously, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Looks great with this two-tone, by the way, the fender flares and then kind of the dark charcoal down below. And once again, that mirror-like finish. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. So, of course, nicely equipped. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. I mentioned the power seat over here on the driver's side. That's working. Look at just lack of really any wear on that seat. Of course, the center console and the fold-down armrest. And you can pull these back up if you'd like. Tilt column, cruise control. Of course, this would have the four-wheel high, four-wheel low, and then the auto four-wheel drive, as well as two-wheel drive mode, of course. Ooh, sounds good too. 77,851, there's your exact miles. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Just that seat belt indicator. Fuel gauge working. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Oil pressure and battery gauge, voltmeter looking good. Top of the dash, nice shape. AM, FM, cassette, and CD player.
14th, 15th, and 16th.
Radio working. Rear hatch release. Of course, second row bench seat in these vehicles. And you'll be able to see the second row bench in the still pictures, also very nice shape. You're going to be able to see in the cargo area. Check out those still pictures. Let's take a listen. If you've had your eye out for one of these, give us a call. I have a feeling this one may not last very long. Popular body style, popular model, and this one is in nice shape, has a great look to it. I'll give you an idea kind of how those headlights look. There you go. You can see much more modern, brighter headlight. And clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, 77,851 in the odometer right now. 1998 Chevrolet Tahoe, two-door sport model. That 354 Tech Power. Call us 507-386-1726. I suppose you want to look at that engine bay. Better not short you on that. All right, almost forgot. Let's pop the hood, check out the engine bay. Stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive too, so we'll take a quick peek at that engine. There we go, underside of the hood. I think we know how this is going to look compared to the rest of the car. Probably about the same. There's that cold air intake. Probably adding a few horsepower. And again, clean and tidy like the rest of this rig. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And remember, those pictures, there's over 100 of them online on this vehicle. Take a look. Jason's going to take it for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1998 Chevrolet Tahoe. Everything good about a truck, minus the bed. A little more indoor storage. Tahoes are nice, a little more nimble than a Suburban. This one has a great rumble to it. It's an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. Yeah, that's just the right amount of thump coming out the back tailpipe. It sounds good. All our gauges are working. The fuel gauge showing almost a half tank. The battery charging over 14 volts. The temperature is still coming up to a quarter on the gauge. And the oil pressure almost 60. The stereo sounds great. HVAC system throwing a little bit of heat today. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do drive our vehicles and then wash them so we can do these driving videos for you. Under 100,000 miles, under 80,000 miles, according to the odometer on this vehicle, and it feels like it. This is a well-maintained truck. Four-wheel drive, capable with a push of a button. Very smooth ride down the road. We have overhead storage and lighting, and the console right in the middle above my head. Brakes feel good, nice and smooth. Power steering, of course, easy to steer. This truck stays pretty flat in the corners. And the kick down is working there, as you can tell. This truck, it just sounds great. What a fun Tahoe to drive. Be sure to take a look at all the pictures of this Chevy Tahoe at UniqueClassicCars.com. By the way, cruise control's working.